Welcome to Technical Vijay channel. There is a news for JEE Mains 2021 which was conducted in the February month, that is on 24th, 25th and 26th. The exams were conducted on 3 days. The first session of the JEE, that is JEE Mains 2021, ended on February 26th, and the National Testing Agency NTA has announced JEE Mains 2021 results will be declared by March 7th. March 7th they may be declaring, as it was announced in their website itself. The cutoff has been analyzed by considering previous 2 years cutoff percentiles. Category wise it has been analyzed that based on the CRL in the 2019, that is 89.75, 48849 was there, and in the 2020 it was 90.37. So here almost 1% it has been increased, and in 2021 I think it will be increase or decrease by 3%. So here 90 means it may be in between 87 to 93. So this has been calculated just by analyzing the previous year CRLs. And here for the economically weaker sections, so here 78.21 was there and here 70 is there. So there is a reduction of 8 percentile. So this year also, so it may be decrease, but it may not be go in this way, but it will be decrease at least by 3 percentile. So it may be 67. And if we consider this other backward caste, that is OBC category, in OBC category in 2019 this is in 2020, so here 74 and 72, so 2% it was decreased, and in the 2021 it has been calculated and it may be in the range of 70 to 74. So this may we expect. And for the case of scheduled caste, that is SC category, so here 54 was there, 50 is there. This is in the case of 2019, this is 2020. So in 2021 it may be 48 to 52 percentile. So it will be like this. And for ST category, here in 2019 44 and in 2020 it will be 39. So there is a big difference, huge difference is there, but this time in 2021 it may not go like that. It will be around 40%, 40 plus or minus it may be 2. So 38 to 42, like this it may be there. So for persons with disabilities, that is PH category, here it is in the 2019 it is 0.11. In 2020 it is 0.06. So in 2021 it may be around 0.09. Okay, just this is an approximate analysis. Realities may be varying. Okay, thank you.